To Gokulas Public School online classes. Today I am going to show you how to get a broad chest with shoulder workout at your home. So let's start. We have to do some push-ups. I'll perform you. So let's start. Firstly, I'll show you simple push-ups at your home. Just you have to keep your hands like this and start push-ups for 30 seconds. Keep your back straight. No need to do like this. No need to do like this. Simple push-ups, flat. Your body should be flat. If you want to wider chest, you have to keep your grip little bit wider. Those who not able to do like this, you can make a knee push-ups. You can bend your knees like this, cross your leg, make a grip, and you can do like this. Both the exercise is beneficial for your wider chest. Just after the push-ups, take a 10 seconds rest. Shake your hands. Deep breathe. For as early as possible, you have to go normal. Now we will do incline push-ups. So we can use for the incline push-ups. I'll show you. You can use the ball at your home. So let's start. How it will perform, I'll show you. You have to keep your grip, wider grip here. Keep your body straight. Body should be straight properly. No need to do bend forward. No need to do like this. Your body should be takeoff position of the plane. So let's start. It's incline push-ups. Keep your body flat. Hand should be like this. Look forward. Try to touch your chin. Again, you have to take a rest. Shake your hands, shake your legs for 2 to 3 minutes. This will beneficial for it will give you a wider chest. Just after relaxation, we will start decline push-ups. This is beneficial for your chest also and your shoulders also. Same thing, you can use this wall where I did incline push-ups. Otherwise, you can use approx 10 to 20 degrees wall. Keep your body down. This time we have to do body face like this, downside. So we will use the same ball. This time you have to take a stance. Start. I will show you here also. If you can't able to do in this much wall, you can use short area. Relax. Relax for 10 seconds. In every repetition, in every exercise, in between all the exercise, you have to take a proper rest, proper relaxation. This rest is good for the your next repetition. Definitely it will increase. You can count the repetitions also, means you can divide 2 repetitions per exercise with 12 counts. In one set you have to use 12 counts at least. You have to perform 12 counts in one set. So this type of you can use all that 3 to 4 exercise. You can get a broad chest with the shoulders. Thank you and have a nice day.